Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've added a new option of drag and drop operations to a part. If you'll notice at this moment, if I go to my coordinate system manager, I only have one coordinate system, the very top over here. If we take a look at this operation, you'll see that I did a iMachining operation inside this pocket over here. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to actually have this operation in this area as well as in this area. So now we can actually grab the operation itself and drag it onto that face. By doing so, it'll create a home position if there's not one already there, and also create a new operation using that face as a geometry. We can continue and take this and drag it to the next face. And again, this will happen to that pocket as well as to any other pocket I may have. Just dragging it and we have a new operation. All of this based on the first operation that I did before. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.